Honor Play 70 Plus mid-ranger is in the making, and it has now leaked in an image revealing its camera looks. There's something special about this new look. Unlike a rectangular module, the company might copy Vivo V50's camera bump for its device. Honor Play 70 Plus will be available in blue, black, white, and pink. The Play 70 Plus, it will measure 8.39mm in thickness and weigh 207 grams. It features a side-facing fingerprint sensor. It will feature a 6.77-inch HD Plus LCD screen and a 5-megapixel selfie camera. Its rear camera setup will feature a 50-megapixel camera. The device will be equipped with the Snapdragon SIXS Gen 3 chipset with 8GB/12GB of RAM and 256GB/512GB of internal storage. The handset will likely feature a giant 7000 mAh cell with 45W wired charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.